The Gain I carry is a mid-budget cube and is $29.99 in thecubicle.com. It weighs 77 grams and the battery lifespan is 280 hours, which is pretty long, and you have to replace the battery, which is $199. This cube turns nice and smooth like the Gain 11 Pro. This is the best smart cube because it has a tensioning system, unlike the Monster Go AI. While the Monster Go AI is cheaper and it has less features like the tensioning system, which is needed for cube adjustment. The Gain i3 has magnet adjustment, unlike the Gain I carry, but you don't really need magnet adjustment because the magnet strength is just fine. The cube is pretty cheap and compared to many other smart cubes. This is why the Gain I carry is the best smart cube, because of its price and adjustment features.